Lizzie here. So today we're going to learn about angle of elevation. So our problem is, from a sailboat, the angle of elevation to the top of a lighthouse 311 feet away is 17 degrees. Find the height of the lighthouse. So here we have our triangle and we have labeled it. We have the angle of elevation, or 300 feet away, and we're trying to find this side. So from our angle, we're trying to find the opposite and we have the adjacent. So we're going to use TOA. We're going to use tangent. So tan of our angle 17 is equal to opposite. So we have x over the adjacent, which would be 311. Now, before we can type this into the calculator, we have to multiply both sides by 311. So those will cancel, and then x will be equal to that. So 311 tan 17, close parentheses, x will equal 95, and we'll round to 0.1.
Guys, today we're learning angles of depression. So our equation is, an airplane is flying at an altitude of 8,500 feet, and the direct distance from the runway is 58,080 feet. Find the angle of depression that the airplane must take to land safely. Across from x is the opposite, which is 85,000 feet. And then the hypotenuse of the triangle is 58,080 feet. So we have opposite and hypotenuse, so we're going to use so. So how we set up the equation is sin of x equals opposite, which is 85,000, over hypotenuse, which is 58,080. And then we just plug this into our calculator as second sin of 8,500 divided by 58,080. And we get 8.4. So your angle here equals 8.4.
Hoi hoi, Sam here, and today we're going to be doing law of cosines. So I'm going to show you how to find a sine using the law of cosines. So today we have our triangle and we need to find side B. So to start, we need to pick an equation from one of these equations, and we're going to pick this one to find the side of B. So you write it out like this, and then you take the side of A, which is 22, and square it. And then plus the side of C, which is 20, and square it. And then you subtract 2 times the side of A, which is 22, and the side of C, which is 20. And then cos of B, which is 108. And I need a calculator. Okay, so to find this, you need to type this whole thing into your calculator. So you do 22 squared plus 20 squared minus 2 times 22 times 20 times cos of 108. And then you get a big number, so then you just take that number and square root it in your calculator. And the answer is 33.99, which you can just round to 34.
Hoi hoi! Bridget here. Today we're doing the law of cosines. And first we're going to start by solving for angle A. So we're going to use the top equation. We start with 16 squared equals 7 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 7 times 10 cos of A. Then you solve. 256 equals 49 plus 100 minus 140 cos of A. Then you do 256 equals 149 minus 140 cos of A minus 149. 107 equals negative 140 cos A, and then you do divided by negative 140. Then you have to do second cos 107 divided by negative 140. And you get A equals 139.8 degrees.